next generation Dremel Multimax, the most powerful and versatile Multimax tool ever. Its 2.5 amp motor gives you the performance to handle the toughest jobs. And with its unique quick lock accessory system, switching projects has never been easier. So you can power through more projects than ever before. To learn more, visit Dremel.com, the next generation Dremel Multimax. Repair, remodel, restore, faster.
To get it done fast, reach for the Rockwell Sonicrafter F80, the only oscillating tool with 2 oscillation modes. Mode 1 for jobs needing massive power and a wider blade angle, and Mode 2, a narrow blade angle for precision and control. The fastest oscillation tool is now also the most precise. The Rockwell Sonicrafter F80, power and precision, when quitting is not an option.
We've been using the multi-tool in a variety of applications. Today we're working on a deck, and we had to correct a butt joint, that was already had been put together, and this thing we've been able to plunge it down in between it and cut it back and forth and slide our decking together. It worked out really good.
Just got done using the 20-volt multi-tool to scarify the concrete down here to clean it up to allow for the caulk to set better. After we set the door, we'll take the tool and cut all the shims free. Much easier than using the knife, quicker, a lot less time for us, makes us a lot more money.
Well, typically I use a razor blade, just a box knife to cut this, but with this application is a lot easier, and the blade cuts really clean and fast.
Yeah, I love the multi-tool. It does everything I need to get into tight spots. And use it for anywhere I can't get a circular saw into, jigsaw. Basically don't even use a palm sander anymore. I find this a lot easier to use, and I think the power is great. It'll cut through anything I've asked it to.
It's anything from, it seems like wood, metal, vinyl, 100% PVC, such as the decking we're using right now. It seems to get through all those materials really well.
Runtime's amazing. 20-volt platform is incredible. I mean, we can run impacts all day almost on a half pack, where this, you're not using it as much, and it'll still run hours.
Depending on the application, I rarely have to switch the batteries. I'll set this door, do the grinding that I did, and trim all the shims and the other small things. I'll use one battery, one fully charged battery. It's very easy to hold on to. I love it. Yeah, you can't beat it.
The blade change, the light on the front here, the way it fits your hand, and the runtime, this tool just, is far superior over any other multi-tools.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion oscillating tool, PCC710B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. Featuring the patent-pending tool-free blade change system, makes accessory changes quick and easy. A variable speed dial delivers 8,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute for optimized performance and control. This tool features a comfortable 3-position overmold, allowing users to work with less vibration and fatigue. A powerful LED work light brightens dark work areas and includes 20 assorted cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding accessories. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt Max oscillating tool delivers performance, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.
Remodelers, carpenters, general contractors, plumbers, wood floor installers. It's the tool that every trade can use. Introducing the versatile new toolless multi-tool with a convenient accessory clamp system. The TM3010CX1 delivers power, control, convenience, and comfort for a variety of applications. The powerful 3-amp motor with soft start is engineered for fast cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal. The variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application. And the electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smoother operation. The toolless clamp system means you get faster accessory installation and less downtime. The tool features a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 3.7 pounds for improved handling and comfort. Cutting, sanding, scraping, grout removal. Get the tool that'll take on a full range of applications. Get the Makita Multi-Tool. And the Makita Multi-Tool accepts most competitive accessories for maximum versatility.